I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to find equation of a line through two given points. We'll use two different methods to solve this question. In the first method, I'll use the equation in point-slope form. Since we are given 2 points, point-slope form is a better way of solving such questions. The equation in point-slope form is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. I hope you remember slope is y minus y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? When you rearrange, you get this equation. Okay. So to find the equation, we need to first find slope, m. Slope is change in y value over change in x value. Let's say delta y over delta x, or y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now the 2 points are 7 and minus 2 and minus 5 and 8. So y2 can be 8, y1 will be minus 2. So it will be 8 minus minus 2 divided by x2 is minus 5, take away 7. 8 minus minus 2 is 8 plus 2, which is 10. And minus 5 minus 7 gives us minus 12. We can simplify by dividing them by 2. So we get minus of 5 over 6. So that is the slope of the line. Now if we use point slope form of the equation, we get y minus, we can use any one of these equations. Let us use 7 and minus 2. Minus 2 is the y value, so I'm using the point 7 and minus 2. Slope of, so let me highlight this, right? So we are using slope of minus 5 over 6 and the point 7 minus 2. So y minus minus 2 equals to slope minus 5 over 6 times x minus x1, x minus x value is 7. Correct? So we have used point and slope form of the equation. Now let's cross multiply it. So it is 6 times y minus minus is plus 2 equals to minus 5 times x minus 7. Let's open the brackets. 6y plus 12 equals to minus 5x plus 7 times 5 is 35. Let's bring them to one side. So we get 5x plus 6y plus 12 minus 35 equals to 0. We can combine these terms. We get 5x plus 6y, and minus is a bigger term. 35 minus 12, 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 23 equals to 0. So that is the equation in standard form, right? So we found the equation of line in standard form utilizing point and slope form of equation, correct? And now I'll do the same question using second method, and this time we will use y equals to mx plus b, and this is slope and y-intercept form. This is slope and y-intercept form of the equation, right? Now we have already calculated slope, which is minus 5 over 6. To find b, we'll use one of these points. Let me use minus 5, 8 this time. So point we'll use as minus 5 and 8. To find y-intercept b, let's substitute these values in the equation. So y is 8, so let 8 equals to slope of minus 5 over 6, x value is minus 5 plus b, right? So let's bring these terms, this plus minus minus becomes plus, right? Let me rewrite this first. It is minus 25 over 6 plus b. Minus minus becomes plus, actually plus 25. So to solve for b, we'll take it to the left side. So b is equals to 8 minus 25 over 6. So let's take common denominator of 6. That gives us 48 minus 25 over 6. And that is 8 minus 5 is 3, 4 minus 2 is 2, 23 over 6. Oh, sorry, 6. 23 over 6. So b is 23 over 6 and slope is minus 5 over 6. So we can write equation as y equals to minus 5 over 6x plus 23 over 6. So that becomes the equation of line in slope and intercept form. Now these are interesting. From here you can straight away read the slope and y-intercept, and from this equation you can easily find x and y intercepts. Well, both equations they look different, but they're exactly same. As an exercise, what you can do is you can convert from here to there, right? Multiply both sides by 6, you'll get 6y, bring them together, you get the same equation. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.